and so at a few months, let's go on the best come, you know, on 20 minutes. So, and a games near course, no, already. Now, Bayern Munich, I question Real Madrid 2-1. I'm Arsenal, I coach Sporting Club de Portugal, like about almost 20 minutes. So, oral results near course now. After completing the first round, I likely say, Yebenya PSG and Bayern Munich. Now, Atletico Madrid and Arsenal. That is after first leg, you know, because those are the teams not LED. But as we all know, Champions League, you know, are full of surprises. And we be able to make some money. And it's somewhere up there. And the parents are yeah. Say, see, I'm not that they are giving Arsenal the highest chance. But be able to see, say, I'll make me qualify to the semi-final and likely win a trophy. But over on one or more hand, where semi-finals parents, no, they believe say Arsenal have the highest chance after winning 1-0 in Portugal, 94%. And let's go for 87% because I'm also no. About winning 2-0 the Camp Nou. Bayern Munich 86%. I'm also winning Santiago Bernabeu 2-1. Then there is PSG also are winning home by 2-0 or 86.6%. So these are the parents, no. For Liverpool, only 13% chance. Real Madrid 13% chance. Barcelona 12% chance. Sporting CP 5.6% chance. And so our parents now, I saw one so we say we a Champions League the dynamics they will no. Because if Barcelona now I said 2, I don't know what 12% chance. Actually we are one with here. A child pedigrees. So that's it. So these are the parents for the semi-finals. And the chances are other teams know to qualify for the next round. But as I said, I said that games for
80% down there. Now, the next
Arsenal qualify. Let's go and qualify.
Arsenal, Atiko, Bayern, PSG. Not far from wrong do.
But say the first leg next year connect there. These are the teams America say I'm going to get the highest chance say I'm going to qualify come winning. Or for my ever games to Marco and I want the Camp Nou. Barcelona for club next to Fiema Atletico ever share the Camp Nou one to me ante. We've already spoken about Atletico and the way that they play against Barcelona. And a pattern you wouldn't want to catch out say scoreline ever game it will be highly dependent on the type of approach. Papa a friend now El Cholo Diego Simeone do game. If he decides to set back, say they are mostly or go more company or set back in the I am not sure say he'll be able to get anything out of the game. Or be more likely say Barcelona are going to win. Nemo when I but every scoreline enya difference a huge scoreline. As we have seen them lose 4-0, 3-0, and those scorelines never. And right time who say about game now, the first 25 minutes really surprised me. About be a game no more. About the bus for club name boot for boot. They are trying and said they are going to press them high. On to some extent, Crano try and say they are in an expansive football. No? I was really surprised about that approach from El Cholo Diego Simeone. But red card by. Then after the red card, Barcelona for club no couldn't cope again and they were beaten by 2-0. Or 4. After 2-0, let's say, and now goes now Julian Alvarez and Alexander Solo say, you know, means that for the first time in over 20 years, Barcelona for club not to our Camp Nou. Ama Atletico Abeshomo. The last time they see, you know, is he far back as 2006. That was the last time Atletico for club they play our Camp Nou. On their winning game, they have won games. I kind of saying Montjuic Stadium because they kind of 4-2. No, they've already won games at Montjuic Stadium. But some among winning games, and a cup match, our Champions League. Man, I said, our Camp Nou on them there is the first time in over 20 years we have seen this happen. And then what a goal! A branch friend Julian Alvarez. On a normal day, maybe a build-ups. With me, she goes and find Tiabasa because they defend most of the time very well. And I've already said it, say the way a branch for the Paul Kubasi now on Gerard Martina for centre backs and in front of them a branch for the front kind of say Garcia Muteli they say the last straw for Arne's lot a Champions League the moment next week they are out Me a sure on one gas one now send a resignation and pay for a catch and say season and maybe out of respect. Say be a last year or G Premier League no more. And Jebeka say be a season now. We won't be able to continue with Anna's lot. And me a sure so you Liverpool fan. Born a course when you won't be very happy. Say the first time in about 6 years, Liverpool have bought a game in a Champions League. One more even a single shot on target. Yabo game no shot on target. And if Paris Saint-Germain were clinical, it would give me more. They could have even won the game by 4 or even 5 goals. The chances they missed, the type of sequence they were putting in the game, no, it was really difficult. And then when I wasn't so surprised that now the players no real money want to say they know that they are really beaten. And it's going to be very difficult. So they will go to maybe Anfield and try and make a comeback against this Liverpool, this PSG team. And as not this year, the 16th timer upon Lucy Afinquano. And therefore, the last 5 games are upon away, no. Well, also those 5 away games, Nina. Oboy against Galatasaray, Champions League, when no lose. Then they came to that Brighton game, 2-1, and no lose. Then they went to City 4-0, and Enra they played against I can't say PSG. Omonusu game not by 2-0. So in those games now abodi inano, Papa, all the away games that they go, they lose those away games. And yes, you see this result, the last 4. Every time that they go away, no more copy, no more Lucy, no more copy, no more Lucy, no more copy, no more Lucy. And I think sir, it is something now, Papa. I am very sad for a partner, your friend, mechanics, Anna's lot, and the squad. No, let's put this into contention. Therefore, the last 6 games are Liverpool are gone. They've won only 1, and that one no winning, you know, was against Victor Osimhen and the Gala team, no, 4-0. I'm not going to qualify big game or the quarterfinals. But the results now, after you know, Brighton, City, and Nina lost and Kwa. The last 6, 1 win, 1 draw, 4 losses. If the results now on screen is one, it is not good for Anna's lot. And
the supporters need disappointed.
But there be
how do you expect say?
Or the same team. And last couple people Paris question 1-0 no.
Last year.
Yes.
But under this coach this year, this season. Near Monfa.
But in the same team now question 1 no.
Matthias, you. But that was a team prepared by a coach be Ojaiju and Albert and
the same as lot. And the same
Mosala now enjoy the fruit of a Georgian club.
But team now what that way say how many players they free?
It doesn't matter.
Trent.
But see, CP. Manchester United.
Yes.
And then an assassin.
Oh, coaching.
Yes, and
but where the coach now was 1-0 now and a whole.
And no me catch you say that Neodidi who say 1-0 no. It was a hard work of some coach, a coacher, not prepare players in that hole for some years. And no buy within maybe 2 months. When the game be say ko bona say.
Or if we them just say, I understand. Oh, you see Man U for example na Matthias here.
Yeah.
But Man U the example they say a coach back and then what they want to go from and our palm no. Then the next coach comes and he's doing well. Okay. But when they are the same coach now, and even with improved players.
Okay.
What I say? Last year, they get a compressor, Lipo for number 9. Now they have Hugo Ekitike. And then Luis Diaz. But without Luis Diaz, no, they brought in, like I said, relatively players that they could also influence games like him. So, Okona could do 2-0. And the last 6 games, 1 win, 1, 1 lose 4. But these are not good numbers for you as a coach. It's there pressure.
Let me give you this message on the slot. The difference between slot and lost are just the arrangement of words. Hey, my Liverpool penny. We must come back strongly. Hi to my main soldier of Quadaso and Mr. Abrokwa of TKD Microcredit Services at Bushane. That is the arrangement of
saying no,
and they lost.
Say 4 ways.
They say 4 ways. They say the same words.
Lost. forwards. And now you are changing away S L O
The
T.
difference between slot and lost are just the
Arrangement of words. No. So, Papa, these results and these numbers aren't good for us lot.
Yeah.
I was looking at our team now. Maybe I'm going to call another game, and Papa, as I was saying, I don't see any difference from last year's team. The only difference is that maybe Luis Diaz wanted Trent were in there. But the same coach, the same approach, but they went there and they lost that game. Papa, when a game now and where the controls, PSG control the game. Papa, so already we will screen as well. Catch them and say, level for local body. These are the zones of the game. The only places are Liverpool dominated here. It was their own goal area. But you will game your champion say where a PSG half, where a Liverpool half. So on a normal times now, and can who say go be control gamer and come on control the side. Let me control side. Tell me why they are and come on control the few aspects of all side, maybe on the wings. But for a ball game, you know. But be a Liverpool for control games, no. One of them, I will be a goalkeeper, no. A goalkeeper, where he was. And the other end was one of the corner flags, the edge of the game, the edge of the field. All the other areas controlled by Club F Paris Saint-Germain. So, anyone who said, I am men against boys.
and